Today, I want to upload an image that has a dimension of 1080 by 1920 pixels. I don't want to crop this image. I want everything seen, including the edges. Consequently, this won't conform with one of Instagram's recommended aspect ratio of 4:5. So, what's my solution to this? Add frames. For best quality resolution and at 4:5 aspect ratio, the dimension would be 1080 by 1350 pixels. I got this design from Stolen Pencil of Vector Stock. I opt to only have one frame and just design the left side. The image will be aligned to the right. I did some modifications such as arranging the flowers however I like and spraying circles using the spray tool. I also changed the color of the elements. And voila! This is the finished illustration.